Yeah. Greetings in the mighty name of Rastafari. See? Mm. Season's greetings. You see, you don't know when end of the Christmas thing, but it's for the joy and the camaraderie and the thought that it brings. You don't know, and I appreciate. I appreciate love. I appreciate love it. I appreciate it. Whatever. You know, see it. So, season's greetings to everybody. See? Share, like, and subscribe. Big up all of the new subscriber them. Yeah. Mr. Lava do a little thing where feature a little you named Dontae, man. Dontae where Miss Donna did get a feature one at a time. You don't know. Yeah, man. Enough respect for that, man. The little youth is a king. You see it? And what we pick up out of that is that a generation arise like that out of Jamaica. You see, cause I don't really think things let me say things get worse as such, you know. Why I think happening is that things change. See? I know it changes like life is a cycle, infinitely. See? Like a ring. It just goes round and round and round. See? You try one thing and you try it over and over, and you try a different thing and you go round and you come back round until you just come back round. You know, see? It's just one thing we observe the wisdom of them youth here, today from where I grasp from Dontae. It's just them even more forgiving than the criminals are today. You know, see? And even the father figure them of the nation are today. You get what I mean? And the mother figures too as well. You know, see? Because Dontae now have a meditation where it far surpass what go on, the reality of what go on the ground. You know, see it? And you have to wonder if a little youth like that I think like that, or what the big people them a think, or what them a go on with, or what them a do. You know, see it? For a long while I did think lava, Miss Donna, that lava show trivial. See, you don't know, in some way case it is. You know, see. You see the twin them come out the other day and one of them 2 lakhs say I be a termite lava harbor over there. Well, boy no way more class Dontae as, you know see. Miss Donna may always think Miss Donna the too crass for do charity. But then again you have the nature of the people where you deal with, and you don't know everybody will come out or leave in a certain emotion, a certain state of mind. You know see, but still I still think so. Well then a certain level of tactfulness need to be added to, you know, fair profile. But that, again, that's what I think still. You know, see, she do her work. That not detached from what she's doing, and it does not mean that them for do what me say, or in order to be perfect or seen as such. No. See? Mm-hmm. But yeah, enough respect to the auntie, enough respect to Lava, enough respect to Miss Donna for really, you know, see, yeah, I mean, it's a Marlon Samuels that did a feature him to and push him to a level, which is right. Seeing, I love Mackerel and I love Ivan too. You know, see, I wish I could have adapt them and have done children and take care of them. Don't know, I mean, I agree with some of the things some of them go on with, but I agree with them honesty, and Jamaican society need a lot of that today. And going into the next year, the New Year's, I think we should try to emulate some of these principles, some of these qualities. You understand what I say? Again, it's a long ask, given the culture, where the culture is today, given the nature of the youths them, the nature of society and our world today. You get what I say? But still we have to ask. You can't beat a man from hope. And again, like I say, life is a cycle. You know, see it? So, we have to just speak the word, you know. And the word, the more we talk again, come to reality. See? So, and I would have like everybody just take stock of them action and them ways and them profile where them go and see what really benefit them and what essential to the future and to the youth them. Just like Dontae does as a 12-year-old. You know, see. Father them, the mother them, we have to stop. The man them and the woman them. Yeah. Stop do certain things to the man them. You know, see it. Stop kill off the woman them. Stop beat the woman them. Stop beat the woman them. Daughter not even get beaten because you not normalize them for take lick from man. And you know yourself, nah, gonna feel good when you say a man a beat on a daughter rasta. You know see it? Yeah. And the mothers them, the woman them. Take a page out of Dontae book. Stop sleep with the woman killer them and the murderer them, the wanton murderer them and the dual sexuality man them when I know what them want. You know see it? And in so doing them act out in a various ways. Some sick ways where really paint the society in a negative light. Far too negative because some of the things that we me here are going. I'm glad alright you know the world occupied with whole heap of other things. You know see it? So them can't even see. Nothing things that are going on the rock. You know see it? Because since COVID started, the amount of all women and children and women them when the man them a kill off, me wonder what I go through the man them mind. What kind of who the man them a seek attention from? Me I wonder if some Android them there, them plug in and left down in Jamaica there for wreak havoc in the society, you know. Because again, what the moral grounds for them type of killing what the benefit? You understand what I say? Entertainers. No for no dead off. A whole heap of no dead off and no stop dead off. God jail and all them things. That's a Tommy Lee there. Tommy Lee, I'm not surprised about you. Would I never even do another video in particular about you in its entirety. I might mention it here and there, yes. Use you as a prop or something like that. Rather than use Ninja Man. You don't have to use Ninja Man no more. We have you are the younger version. Ninja Man used to in and out of prison, in and out of prison. You are nothing compared to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel going there must about 2 or 3 times and we know the system. Definitely go after him. We not say him innocent or guilty, but we know the system go after him and them overshot. You know what I say? Them overdo it. Them overdo it so much that's him innocent even when him guilty. You know see, but you Tommy Lee don't feel in any way, shape or form, so you can be compared to what Vybz Kartel is going through. You know see? Yeah, you just another Ninja Man or a zebra. You know see? Yeah, so me see you. I don't really give you no ratings of such because first thing you say you're a demon, you're a dopey, you're dead, you're not alive. So you can't relate to what go on in another world. Yeah? You're going to be a vampire where they are suck blood for true. And enough people don't realize because enough people think say you bite them in them neck and suck out them blood which while you leak out the blood are ground. You see it and spiritually you drink it and get your fill. But again, enough for you. Yeah. The man them, you have to stop, support and celebrate and agree with certain things, man. You have to start rebel against certain things and want to defend the youth, them defend the society because the youth, them, you better pray so them have forgiveness, you know, them use the forgiveness of them all have because them are going to have it. Them wise enough. Compared to what me see Dontae going with, Dontae going with, them wise enough. You know see? To have compassion and forgiveness. But again, them all know it down to them if them all allow or them emotion to dictate the pace of where them intend for them society go. You understand? And allow to contaminate it. Or probably preach on the deceit from an old world in a for them new world where them are going to create. You know see, them going to chop off on the head because definitely the ignorance, immoral, devilish action them are going on with you, them now see that. Regardless of how you want to talk it down the lyrics and sing it down the song them and them type of thing there. I observe that you them now there's a, you know see, there's a curve. See? Yeah, the ring a curve again, pound. You know, see, now at the time feet to you know. The time of the, I don't know if a Capricorn or Pisces or Aces or whatever them want to cause it. But now at the time when them say, you have a certain planetary alignment where you see he who have good intention or see clearly. You see it. You see evil man are blind. Him all just dumb and dung in a film way. See, cause eat a food. That's all a guy want to do. Eat a food today and take care of him belly and figure about everybody else and not care about everybody else. You know, see, have a whole heap of enemy because a whole heap of people look on you alone and eat. What you want, you have the power, authority, and resource could assist them, make them eat too. But because you're selfish and your belly alone, you just take what you want and you gone. You see it. And if you just stand up for 1 minute longer, you know, so you get food enough to benefit everybody and becomes the era, but it's not like that. You wasn't like that. It's not part of your nature from beginning. You know, see it. You're in it for yourself and what you can get out of it. You know, see it. Music wasn't created for that purpose. Big music wasn't created for that purpose. Reggae music wasn't created for that purpose. You understand what I say? And in so doing, it doesn't accommodate you and your nature. It doesn't fit well with the market that's looking for the substance that reggae music has to offer. You see me? No, it's the woman them. Now beat on now. Cause that's some holy for what this say go on down there. You get what I say? Uno worse I make phone belly lead, you know. And Uno was the last person who used to make phone belly lead, you know. We'd rather go farm, go work and plant food for come feed all on a man rather than make on a belly lead, you know. I don't say I won't do anything while you having on a heart or a certain desire, you know. I never say that. But when I say, I never on a belly used to dictate how on a move. Uno was nation builders. Woman them of Jamaica was grassroots foundation, nation authority, builders, policy makers. You understand what I say? We don't know where they come from here now. We are sleep with man, we are kill man. What you think? Your day now gonna come? Eh? Your day gonna come too. You know see it? And when your day come, I just eat that. You know see it? Whole of we are gonna there feel fear again and talk about it and well you could have prevent it by selling out a sadist. Because that's what they are sadists. It's a sickness. It's not really it's a sickness that some boy have will enjoy to see the female gender in pain. You understand what I say? Enjoy seeing the female gender in pain. So them come up with all sort of narcissistic behavior in order to not take no blame for them action either. While them punish the woman and I make she feel bad and worse about herself. When in a lot of cases, she try the hardest to see the family, the community, and the nation have a whole bill. You know see it? Now, when you lay down with them type of man there, it gonna defeat on own purpose. You get what I say? No matter how wicked a boy is and no matter how bad a man is, if you don't let him in on the soul, him can't have no what him want to do. Even what him want to do, commit a crime, in order to get in on the soul, him can't do it. It don't work so. You see it? And him want to get in on the soul and no intend to let him in and him there play around and go on with him, you know, send them to prison. You see it? So you don't know, seize the greetings, enjoy yourself, cook up on a big food I hope you can afford it, give them the facts of COVID-19 out there and things like that and don't get it twisted. It is out there. Take precaution. You see, bottom line is, the people that want to say a rumor COVID can afford to make something like COVID and put it out there. You understand what I say? So them would not bluff. Because them people are not bluff. They wouldn't be bluffing what's going on. They would have the receipt for sure. They would rather have the receipt for sure. People are sick and are dead for sure and things like that. And probably, for them cases, they would make it worse. And more particular. You know what I say? But COVID not individualize nobody. You know see? COVID not partial. You know see? So, beware of them things there and protect yourself. And regardless of how you want to see the holiday, the break, the cooling off period, just be merry and live love. You know see? And I give thanks and praise unto the Most High God, His Imperial Majesty Emperor Celestial first. You know see? And I hope and pray for all you don't know. Come through this destruction, you're peaceful and honorable. You know, see, more blessed. Rastafari.